New at 9, some parents of students who attend Chicago Archdiocesan schools say their children have carried the weight of the pandemic on their shoulders too long regarding COVID protocols.
And the parents meeting tonight to discuss ideas they can present to Cardinal Cupich. WGN's Mike Lowe was there.
And tonight, Southside parents with kids in Catholic schools say they want Archdiocese leaders to listen to their concerns about how COVID is dealt with in classrooms.
There's quite a few people in there.
Southside Catholic school parents filed into Cork and Cary in Beverly for a community meeting about COVID protocols in schools run by the Archdiocese of Chicago.
I think most people are coming around to the fact that one size fits all doesn't work.
Archdiocese school policy says that all students must wear masks, regardless of vaccination status. In a recent video message, Cardinal Blaise Cupich appeared with Illinois Director of Public Health, Dr. Ngozi Ezike, to urge Catholics to take the vaccine.
Unlike last year, we have been blessed with the means to prevent hospitalizations and deaths.
And because of those advancements, some parents say the mitigations should be altered, namely masks. Parents say their concerns are not being heard.
I think right now we need to listen to the biggest stakeholders, and that's the parents. They are the people who should be making the decisions for their children.
Instead of kind of being told, I think they want to be included in that process.
But Archdiocese leaders have said that during a pandemic, individual decisions affect the entire community. And that's why they're sticking with the masking policy for now.
Please come forward. Do your part to save lives and prevent illnesses.
As we've been shut out.
Erin Heidemann is a parent who has 4 children at St. Catherine's in Oak Lawn. She says she hopes tonight's meeting allows parents to raise their voices collectively so that they'll echo all the way to Archdiocese headquarters.
We're not alone, and there's power in numbers, and I think that coming together, our message is more powerful.
And the parents with whom we spoke tonight say that's really all they want is a seat at the table so that going forward, pastors, principals, and parents all craft COVID policies together. Reporting outside of Archdiocese headquarters in the Gold Coast, Mike Lowe, WGN News.